everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I'm coming to you with this really cute, like, fun fold. I don't know what to call it. If you think of a good name, put it in the message box below. But I'm just going to call it a fun fold. And what I like about it is, you know how Stampin' Up! When they sell their paper, they usually either have one that has like a nice little scenery or a bunch of flowers or something like that in it, and this works wonderful for that. So like here's one that I did with the Easter set that they have, and then when you open it up it just continues, and it's so cute to sit up. And yes, you could put a box on the back, or you could put a little thing like on one of these if you didn't want to put them both on there, but I mean absolutely adorable. So I did that one, but this has to be my favorite. Of course I haven't done this one yet that I'm going to do with you, so I may be changing my mind, but this is awesome. Look at, because it's a whole barn scene, and it is so cool how it just you know, the landscape's right there, and I just absolutely love it. So this is one using our cow stamp set, and the paper is retired. It's no longer available. It might be on the discontinued list. I don't know how long ago, but I still had a bunch of it left, so I just used it up to do this one. But now the one we're going to do now, I did a lot of stuff ahead of time, and this one I am going to be doing the Otter set. And they have a cute little landscape thing too, so I don't know, this one might be one of my fun ones. And I have to remember a lot of what I have to do with this because it's been a while. I've had this prepped. I've got a whole stack of stuff over here in my little bin of videos that I got to do. I've kind of gotten behind here, so we got to get caught up. So this right here, the base of this is a 12-inch piece by 5.5. So it's 12 inches long by 5.5. And the new scrapbooking paper works wonderful for this because it's not too thick. So it don't make you feel like you have a huge thick paper in there, in an envelope. So we have to score at 2. You're going to turn it on the 12-inch side. Now when you are using the scrapbooking paper, because it is thinner, you don't have to push quite as hard with your scoreboard. And then we're going to go to 4. And then we're going to scoot over to 8. And then we are scooting down to 10. Okay, and that's all the scoring for the base. And then we are going to fold. And the one thing also that I love about this, the DSP paper, is that it is double-sided. I have got to get some alcohol and clean off my glass mat. I just noticed it. I feel bad now. It's dirty in this. It'll be clean for the next video. Then we need some matted pieces, some layer pieces. So we need one that is 3 3/4 by 5 1/4. And then we need 4 of these that are 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. Then we need you need 4 of these. And what I want to tell you, like when I did the cow and when I did the other one, I stopped my scene after these 3. Because if you put a scene here that continues on from this one, when you close it up, it doesn't really match up. So it kind of doesn't make a sense. So, and it doesn't match up with this end. So I didn't do that. I kind of end it right there. And it's like a little surprise when they open it up. So that's what I did. So I have 2 of these. I mean, they're all the same size. You need 4 altogether that are 1.5 by 5. And then you're going to need these pieces, which are my scene. So you need 2 more that are 1.5 by 5, and then you're going to need the middle one, which is going to be 3.5 by 5. So now we're going to put these together. Up, and I'm going to put this one right here. I just love this otter set. It's so cute, and I love this little scene. And then we're going to do this one. And this is our other scene. So we're going to put this over here. And then we're going to put one of these on each side of this. I believe this paper is Lost Lagoon. Okay, now I went ahead and I did a lot of pre-stamping and pre-coloring for this because I really wanted to show you the mechanism of how it all worked. So that's what I did. And let's see here. So I thought I would put this little otter right here like he's floating in the water. And I got this baby otter, and I thought I'm going to have him jump in on this little rock there. And then this was going to go on the front. And I'm going to have some of these, and I'm going to have like a little log on this side. I think this was the log I was going to have with a couple things coming out of it over here, and I'm going to put this little baby otter on it. So it looks like he's running and getting ready to jump in that water. And then this otter, this one is going to go over here because I'm going to have it like a little scene. And then I'm going to have some leaves behind them, like this. And then I'm going to have this little "You're Utterly Amazing" up here as on the card. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to let you guys watch me as I glue all this down. And then I'm going to fast forward it. And there you go, it closes up just like that, and you kind of don't see the baby otter. I wanted him so you didn't see him at all, but you see a little bit of his tail. I should have got him over just a tad bit more, but that's okay. And so it looks like this, and then when they open it, they see the rest of the otters. Now, I wanted to let you know in case you wanted to know what I colored, because I forgot to tell you guys this before. I used Old Olive Light and Dark on the leaves behind these otters. And then I used SU100, which I think now they call it a medium or a light brown in the catalog. And I used that for this otter. And then I used light crumb cake for all their little fur underneath their neck. And then I used SU200 and SU300 for coloring in these little otters. And I stamped the greeting in black. And then I would just put my little message on the back because I think this is cute just to look at the little scene. And anybody would really love to enjoy. And I mean, this could, the ideas for this is endless. It would also be a great wedding card because you could keep it going on. And so, yeah. So that's my card, everybody. And I hope you enjoyed. And you will, you know, give this a try. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye-bye.